It's a rainy day. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It's definitely an indoor day and a playing with essential oils day. So I have my selection of essential oils. I've got here soy wax melt. It already has a scent, a florally scent, very soft. I have here my oil burner with its good luck and prosperity and good fortune symbols. A selection of candles for said items. And I have a selection. I've got white, dark red, and lemon. It's not citronella. Maybe it's lemon. Something berry and no scent. Sometimes it's better to have no scent when you're going to be using another scent anyway. So let's look for another white. And the pipette is for using on essential oils that don't have their individual dripper inside or fragrance oil, which I'm not going to be working with today. So the various different blends and the various styles of using them. This here is vanilla oil, castor oil with vanilla pods. I've been soaking, fermenting, blending, mixing for a long time. It's been stored in my fridge. So it's got a nice and darker, yellower, glossier over the years. And it still smells and looks great. So I use these things as ingredients, like in this case, a scented oil that I can then rub on myself, my wrists, my temples. So yeah, it's for personal use, and it's a really cool thing to do with your castor oil. I also have some with orange peels, lemon skin, cinnamon bark. The choice is endless. So, to begin, I have had crazy asthma the last few days. One of those situations where I can't laugh because I start coughing. It's that intake of air. Anytime there's that quick intake of air, I'm gone. If there's food involved, ooh, don't go there. It's deadly, literally. Anyway, so I'm going to go with the respiratory system, asthma. This one here is my go-to. Cypress, lavender, benzoin. I have all of those. Frankincense, chamomile, benzoin, lavender, cypress, and ylang ylang. This one here feels a bit too strong for asthma. Ylang ylang is quite a strong scent. That's just my personal opinion. So, cypress 4, 4, 2, lavender 4, benzoin 2. So, how I'm going to do that is in my oil burner. And I'll just put this in a room where I am, or my son is, because he has asthma as well. And just let us inhale the scents and help calm our asthma. So cypress, cypress, cypress. B, E, F, G, cinnamon. Let's look in my bigger bottles. Cypress, cinnamon, bergamot. To turn the tray around. So I can see the little bottles. Cypress. Four of cypress. Now, count with me, people. Let's see. Does this one come out fast or slow? Just watching the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Comes out fast. Lavender. 4 lavender. Watching the water. Let's count and see how fast this one comes out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too fast, not too slow. Good, good. And benzoin, benzoin. Benzoin. Ooh, how pretty is that sound? Very, very pretty. 2 of benzoin. Is this a fast pour or a slow one? 1, 2, 3, 50 billion. Okay. Super fast. The reason this one looks different is because it's a tincture, not an essential oil. And that's our lavender oil burner. And with my flamethrower, I'm going to light it. I seem to have fixed it. So now we'll move on to setting the mood with aromatherapy, which is essential oils and florals. That's pretty much what it is. The oils of the plant have been removed to be used in therapeutic methods. So, I've been talking about this for a bit. to make myself a blend of creativity. Okay, essential oils for creation are asafoetida, which I have never heard, borneo, cardamom, chervil and cypress, eucalyptus, galangal, hyacinth. Hyacinth, I don't think I have an essential oil. And lime, of course. Lime and cypress. I am going to go with a touch of lime and cypress in here, so that when I burn this scent, I'll get a bit of what this is, the scent that's already in there, the floral. It'll also help with those essential oils to help give me some creativity. So, cypress. Where did I put it? Cypress, where are you? Cypress and lime. Cypress. Let's have a smell of the two of them together. The cypress is stronger, so what I'll do is use about 3 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3 of this one. Light the wax melt. And let those essential oils do their trick and give me creativity as I inhale those uplifting scents. So lastly, this potion here. I'm not going to make this one because I don't need it right now. But if you were going to use this, you'd get 20 ml, and you can add up to 10 drops of essential oils to that. You can do this blend, that blend, any blend you want. If there's a blending question you'd like to know about, drop a comment below and I'll work with you on that. So yeah, that's 3 ways of using essential oils to shape your mood. You might be really wired and want to wind down. You might be about to go out and you're feeling anxious. There's so many different things we can use essential oils for to help with that. So one, my breathing, that's a physical thing. I can inhale these scents. I could also put it over a hot water bowl and breathe in the vapour. And this one here, mental, to uplift the mind. So yeah, if you have any comments on a particular lotion or potion, comment below. Love to hear from you, and thank you.